you had your breakfast? Drank milk? Very good. Let us start our today's class. Before starting the class, we'll update the calendar as usual. What is today's date? 5, 12, 20. What is the 12th month? December. What is the 12th month? December. So today date is 5th December. If today is 5, what will be tomorrow? 5 after 6. What was yesterday? 5 before 4. Yesterday was 4th December. Today is 5th December and tomorrow will be 6th December. What day is today? Saturday. What day is today? Saturday. If today is Saturday, what will be tomorrow? Saturday after Sunday. Saturday before Friday. Yesterday was Friday. Today is Saturday and tomorrow will be Sunday. Let's revise days of the week and months of the year. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. And Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Let's revise months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. March. M-A-R-C-H. March. April. A-P-R-I-L. April. May. M-A-Y. May. June. J-U-N-E. June. July. J-U-L-Y. July. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. And December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Shall we revise phonics? A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. E. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Shall we revise oral questions? What is your name? My name is Mi Peru. What is your father's name? My father's name is Daddy Peru. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Mummy Peru. Which class are you studying? I am studying UKG. How old are you? I am 5 years old. Where are you from? I am from Mivurpet Chapali. What is your school name? My school name is Gamyam English Medium School. Who is your principal? Our principal is Mr. K. Sivareddy. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Mrs. Ganga Bhavani. National symbols. Which is our national currency? Rupee. Which is our national animal? Tiger. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Which is our national fruit? Mango. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Which is our national game? Hockey. Which is our national aquatic animal? Dolphin. Which is our national song? Vande Mataram. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Shall we go with the rhymes? Hey diddle diddle, the cats and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun. The dish ran away with the spoon. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Then I will give you half a crown. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. So are you. I'm wet through. So are you. So today we'll go with the revision English and EVS. English question words. What are question words? What is meant by question first? Question అంటే మనం ఏదైనా అడుగుతున్నప్పుడు యూస్ చేస్తాం కదా, దాన్ని క్వశ్చన్ అంటారు. వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నేమ్, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫాదర్స్ నేమ్, మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్నాం కదా, అడిగేదాన్ని క్వశ్చనింగ్, అడగడాన్ని క్వశ్చనింగ్ అంటారు. సో వాట్ ఆర్ క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్స్? ఓకే, WH వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్స్. వాట్, వేర్, when, who, why, how also. So what, ఏంటి, where, ఎక్కడ, when, ఎప్పుడు, who, ఎవరు, why, ఎందుకు, how, ఎలా. ఓకే, వాట్ అంటే ఏంటి, వేర్ ఎక్కడ, when ఎప్పుడు, who ఎవరు, why ఎందుకు, how ఎలా. వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నేమ్, నీ పేరేంటి అని అడుగుతున్నాం. వేర్ ఆర్ యు గోయింగ్, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు. when will you come, ఎప్పుడు వస్తావు. హూ ఆర్ యు, నువ్వు ఎవరు. why are you late, ఎందుకు లేట్ గా వచ్చావు. how are you, నువ్వు ఎలా ఉన్నావు. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్స్. See page number 27, course book 2 term 2 page number 27. Where, when, who, what are called question words. Where, when, what, who. So ఈ 4 చెప్పండి మీకు present. See, when do you take bath, ఎప్పుడు స్నానం చేస్తారు. I take a bath in the morning. I take a bath in the morning. Where is the apple? The apple ekkadundi. The apple is on the book. The apple is on the book. Who is he? Tinevaru. He is a postman. He is a postman. Who is she? Tinevaru. She is a teacher. What is this? This is a monkey. What is that? That is a squirrel. So you should write neatly in your 4-rule book. Okay. When do you take bath? WHEN, when. Finger gap, DOD, YOUU, TAKE, take, BATH, bath. When do you take bath? After the question you should keep question mark. Sentence tarvata full stop ela pedtamo, question last lo question mark pettali. Okay. Next, where is the apple? WHERE, where. WHERE, where. Finger gap. IS is. THE, the. APPLE, apple. Where is the apple? Next, WHO, who. IS is. HE, he. Who is he? Next, who is she? WHO, who. IS is. SHE, she. Who is she? Next, What is this? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is T-H-I-S, this. What is this? And the last one, what is that? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is T-H-A-T, that. In this way you have to write in your 4-rule book. Note down, children. And we'll go with EVS, aquatic animals. Note down. Okay, all of you completed, children? So I am erasing it. Today we will go with again revision EVS, aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. What are aquatic animals? What are domestic animals? Animals which live in our surroundings are called domestic animals. Animals which live in forest are called wild animals. So animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Okay. Which animals live in water? Do you know? Fish, crab, crocodile. Okay. See, we'll see. Page number 72. Aquatic animals. These animals live in, under and around water bodies. Water lopala, water chuttu unde animals ne aquatic animals under. See here. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. F-I-S-H. Fish. Jellyfish. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Dolphin is national aquatic animal. Seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Squid. S-Q-U-I-D. Squid. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Walrus. W-A-L-R-U-S. Walrus. And fish and crab. F-I-S-H. Fish. C-R-A-B. Crab. So write all these names on slate 2 times. Read the spellings and write, children. That's all for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye.